Before starting my class, all my dear students need to keep a science textbook and a notebook in the front of you to be copy down important notes from the whiteboard when I continue my classroom. I am Sarajit for you. Can you remember me? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, just now try to be more attention and carefully. Listen carefully. Today my class is chemistry subject for class 9 chapter number 1. Okay, let us start. Listen carefully. Okay, all my dear students, please look in the around of your room. Please look around in around room. And hanging the kaino nangi akoi bida lady basindu kari kari ubano to munni yengo. You can see something. Okay, what's a karadin and soydin ubungani? For example, towel, chair, pen, book, electric bulb, mobile phone, pen, eraser, etc. You may see. Yes. Okay. All my dear students, please hold a textbook. Just now, I am holding a textbook. Sarsu textbook ama pai. Sigi textbook si pai ba matamda masi lum laubra lawi laude lawi ko lum laure. Next, aina table da book se thamba matamda table gi mafam khara book sin suksoi shoidina mafam khara kalangani kali kande kali ko. Okay, adui tardi book se arum balai amasung mafam su kali. In English, book has mass and occupy space. Asugumba mass leiba amasung mafam kanba chingsing sibo aikuna kari haina consider tawgani. Kari haba mass leiba amasung mafam kanba object singsi kari haina consider tawgani. Okay, all my dear students, all of you will sure get answer from to the topic matters in our surrounding. To the topic matters in our surrounding. Matter in our surrounding. To the topic matter in our surrounding. Okay. Sarang asaya kiba hangkiba mass leiba amasung mafam kanba object singsi kari haina kogani na question hankibadu adugumba mass leiba mafam kanba object singsi kuna matter haina consider to. Can you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, next you take another example which can you available from your room. Just now you take a pen or mobile phone or electric bulb, etc. When you hold the electric bulb, mobile phone or textbook, surely you may meet some mass or occupy space. Haibadi nang loaded ba pai di ba possessing do so ishoida na mass legani mafang kan gani adugumba arumba leiba mafang kan ba objects se ekuni kari hana consider to ba matter hana consider to. Adudi what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. Again, I am saying matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. Let us see. Okay, here I am writing what is matter. It is anything that has mass and occupy space. In the definition, we met two keywords. The two keywords here, mass, occupy space. Can you understand? Yes or no? Yes. What is matter? Matter, it is anything that has mass and occupy space. Okay, after this, you know what is matter. Next, matter has the kari na same bano. Matter is same na ba posak na madilerem gani. Adu kari no yang si ko. For example, just now, what is this? This is, can you see? It is sugar. Now, okay, you take a glass of water. Then you add some sugar in the water of the glass. It is sugar. Just now I am adding sugar in the glass of water. Then I am stirring to be dissolved. Tumbang ngam sarna si nai khai le. Hozi. Okay. We are not visible anymore sugar. Can you see? Yes or no? Yes, we cannot see any more sugar in the water. Just now I am testing. Wow, so tasty. Okay, Sarna haning is it? Ngasai sugar grand, mayama thadagi. Sugar can sing the tummaga lake, but have it singing house the adum tummaga lady. Aduna takpadi, Aikuna, sini hariba poshaksi, makupana tana tugai yai. Aduai targeti sugar hariba posaksi, sugar hariba matters the gadin semi. Sige experiments the get Kanganga memadudi, sugar hibasi, sugar cobus matter asi apik pa particles in the semi. Okay. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Again I am saying matter is made up of tiny particles. Ngasagi sugar singdu water ke particles sing marakta question sen continuous tau. Adu particles sing si continuous tau nei amasung particles sing aduga matter sing si apik pa matter sing si apik pa particles sing semi. Haibasi khangmanga me ko. Howzik again I am saying matters are made up of tiny particles and particles of matter are continuous. Its point are the two physical nature of matter. Okay, let us see from the whiteboard. Just now I am writing physical nature of matter. Point number 1, matters are made up of tiny particles. Next point number 2, particles are continuous. Here I am writing the two physical nature of matter. Number 1, matters are made up of tiny particles. Point number 2, particles are continuous. After this, we will try to know the characteristic of the particles of matter. Harabasi matungda nakoina matters singi particle ki characteristic magul sing khangba majakar oi. Let us see. Just now, sigi single waters sarna sugar hakpi hapra haptabra hakpi ko. Howzik sugar do dissolve to ukre. Hairiba sugar singsi karai de sangzan ki karai de leki khangba majakar oi. Water ki particles singi marakta space mayam amale ahangba mayam amale ahangba space leriba marak to da sugar ki particles sing sangjal laga lei. Adudi econicity khange madudi particles sing sigi marakta ahangba mayam amale. Masi particles of matter ki character number 1 have space between them. Particles of matter have space between them. Nasagi sugar ki particles sindu kanagi particles sing the sangsan khiba water ki particles sing the sangsan ki karmene sangsan khiba water ki particles sing the marakta ahang ba leibana maram oiraga sangsan banang ki. Next, what is this? This is perfume, body perfume. Okay, just now I am trying. What? Wow, so sweet smell. Aina sida perfume si kapa matamda corner de leiba arap de leiba some distance khara salaga suksoi soidana perfume gi manam si number fangani kitchen de anjang ahau ba thongba matamda aikoina thangnaba mafam singa anjang manam tawang. Why karigi? Okay, because haiba perfume de gi capture air singi particles singu environment ki air gi particles singa mix tawki intermixing tawki kariga perfume dagi capture particles singuga environmental leriba air ki particles singa mixing tawraga yamna high speed yamna thuna yaukibana maram oiraga arapada leiba mafam singa manam singsi yauba ngamibani adu ai targadi particles singsi continuous moving tawi. Next, character number 2, particles are continuous moving. Particles singsi kidoneba continuous moving oi. Perfume gi manam khara lapna leiraga taba fangisi karigineba particles singsi continuous moving tawbagi. Ado nasai gi particles singa continuous moving tawhunba matamda energy ama mating changi. Energy with half of energy particles are continuous moving is larger, the energy is kinetic energy. The energy is kinetic energy. Particles in the question said mangamhalise energy amagi matinani, madugi energy to kari kinetic energy. Next. Ngasai perfume ki air perfume ki particles tunduga environment ke particles singa mixing tauki, intermixing tauki. Madugi intermixing tauki process to kari kawi diffusion. Here I am writing diffusion. Diffusion habati the process of intermixing of different particles on their own are called diffusion. Again I am saying diffusion is the process of intermixing of different particles on their own. Masa masagi particles singdu magul ngaknaraga amaga different particles singa mix to unavasi kari kawaiba diffusion. Next, another masagi sugar singdu nang sida ubangam bra Ngamingam ngamde. Adudi particles sing speak pro sauro. Huh? Yes. Particles sing yamna. PE masizu character amani. Particles are very small. Character number 3 I am writing. Particles are very small. What is this? This is spoon. Solid metal. Wow. I cannot break this. I took to the kongamde. But just now, here some papers I am hearing. Si sagai bangami. Paper is sagai bangami. Aduga spoon di thude bangami. Kari marangi. Why? Because spoon da sariba spoon da yalba particles singsi makoi singsi yamna kan attraction tau. Yam attraction tau. Just now I am showing some activity. Why? Sigi Kut anigi ho kaino se connection si yam line satok pangambra. Sigi kut anigi fazina bagi force of attraction singjana bagi force se yam na weak oibanina ini yam line sagai bangabi. Just now another activity. Yam kana fazale. I cannot brag. I see sing thok pangamde. Karigi sigi particles sing si amaga yam na kana attract to na kibana maramorga. Like that. Masagi spoon to the alba particles singu yam na kana force of attraction say yam na one kibana maram oraga spoon do in to the pangam. Next, pepper. Pepper gi the yauriba particles sing to the yam na force of attraction yam weak over in yam line sagai bangam. Aduikargi particles sings to karitawi particles sings the amagama to attract only. Particles are attract is other. Just now I am writing character number 4. Particles of matter are attract is other. Particles are attract is other. Okay. Strength of the attraction depends on the different substance. Again, I am saying strength of different particles depend on different substance. Just now, my dear student, all of you take a ball. Just now, I am taking a ball. Then I am dropping some mangal. Do you know mangal? Yes. Okay. Hojik sarna mangal khara hapsali. Sige mangal se I imagine to si bhat na sasi water ki particles sing hai na. Mangal se kari hai na khan se ba water ki particles ni. Next. Hojik hawai musori angang ba khangi ko. Hawai musori sina I na sugar ki particle ni hai na khan se. Kari hai na khan se ba musori se sugar ki particle. Mangal sina water ki particle. Just now I am adding some musori in the particles of water. What is? Can you see? Howzik mangal ki marak singda musori sangza lagalai kiba ubra. Ui ude ui ko. Aduna takpadi ay koy na khange particles singi marakta aho balay na maram oiraga atopa particles sing aho bagi marakta sangza lagalay ba ngukibani habasi khangbang me. Another just now howzik ayna sige sing si hazel is 200 point some 0.1 single level se kya leba 200.1 howzik sar sugar khara hapsa lage. Just now I am adding some sugar. Can you see? Yes or no? Yes. Then you stir the sugar to be dissolved in the particles of water. isinggi particles singi marakta sugar gi particles sing da chupsan bang nang khina ba gi damakta aikun second khar nei khai ba ma darkar oi ngasai isinggi level c 200.1 level ko hozik sugar hapsan khre okay yang ase maka sugar ke particle hapsan khra kana isinggi level henglakla impossible no rise up single level henglakte sugar mayama stalabasu water ki particles henglakte why because water ki particles singe marakta space mayama malaibanina aduge space to ye marakta sugar ki particles in sangsal level laikhibanina magi level du balance tawraga thammi maram asina masigi activity de gi sukhange particles in space like particles have space between them. Can you understand? Yes or no? Yes. You may be understand by showing activity or experiment. Okay. Next. Okay, today my class is last timing. So just now I am taking revision. Okay. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. What are the physical natures of matter? Matters are made up of tiny particles. Particles of matter are continuous. Next, what are the characteristics of the particles of matter? Particles of matter have space between them. Point number 2, particles are continuous moving. When they are trying to continuous, it had occurred by the help of energy. The energy is kinetic energy. The process of intermixing of different particles is called diffusion. Next, point number 3, particles are very small. Next, point number 4, particles are attract each other. Adoi bataragadi ngasi sana takiba kharasi khangabra khangdabra haibado nasana sana sek tawna bagi damakta sana homework khara piri masigi homework se tawraba matungda nakoina sargi kenoda WhatsApp number da homework sing to sar correction tawbigani aduna thabirakpa yagani. Page number 3 gi in test question gi question 1 2 3 4 the homework tawbiro. Again I am saying page number 3 gi in test question have the textual maraki question piriba question 1 ne 2 ne 3 ne 4 ne si answer semaga try tawro makhata ne hena khangna bagi damakta textbook asigi chapter number 1 se fazana sarna taiba topic matik si pabiro Paraba matungda any doubt, any confusion labor matam start contact tobiro and so it can help togani. Thank you all. Jazakallahu khair. Have a nice day.